Love fries, hate cooking them? Do you hate the splatter when you put those frozen fries into the fryer? Do you hate ordering fries because they get all soggy? But when you make them yourself, they just aren't crispy.
Well, I'm here to help you out. Introducing oven fries, the best way to get fresh, crispy fries without the mess.
All you need is an oven, a pot, some potatoes, oil, salt, and vinegar. So let's get started. The first step is to wash and peel the potatoes. Then karate chop them. If you haven't figured out how to do that yet, a knife is also a good option. Make sure they're nice and thick so they don't break up later. Next, put a pot of water on a fire, or an electric fire. I forgot to mention water earlier, but if you don't have water, then clearly you have bigger concerns than soggy fries. Then take the potatoes and toss them into the pot of boiling water. Practice your Salt Bae skills and wait 10 minutes. Get ready to do a lot of waiting, because studies show that it is likely you can't wait 90 minutes to have dinner. Once you're waiting, how about you get off that phone and cook the rest of dinner? Because while a plate of chips is nice, are you gonna eat a single plate of chips for dinner? When the 10 minutes is over, remove the fries from the hot water. There are multiple methods you can use, like draining through the pot lid, using a colander, or telekinesis. Put the potatoes into an oven baking sheet thing, and then put in enough oil to coat all sides.
Olive oil tastes good, peanut oil makes it cook faster. I don't know, you choose.
More Salt Bae if you want, but no pepper, because that will burn. Into the firebox at 230 degrees Celsius, that's 450 in freedom units. Wait about half an hour or until you're bored and take them out. But wait! If you want them crispy, it'll need more time in the oven. So give them a shake and put them back in for 15 minutes. To drain the oil, simply put some paper towels into a bowl and pour the fries in. Now is when you can add all the seasonings. Go crazy! Cheese, pepper, more salt, paprika, I've heard that. Maybe some herbs, whatever you want, man. It tastes good. But I'm just using salt and pepper. Toss them around and give them a taste.
Right, so let's give it a taste, I guess. Listen to this. It's great.
Just cut, peel, boil, and seal. Just imagine what you can do if you stopped using the oven as storage space.